And today this is an item that I actually ordered for myself. This was not sent by the company, but we have some Pixel Watch bands. It's really cool because you get so many colors. So I have white, I have blue, I guess like a babyish blue, maybe. Yeah, babyish blue. This is more like a regular blue. This is like a nice burgundy. That's it for that. We got a really nice orange. And then the traditional black, which is what I'll probably always use. I wish there was green. That's the only thing. Like, instead of two blues, I'd have rather had a green, personally. Now, these feel a lot like the wristbands that came with the device. They have, of course, the same little hooks so that you can hook in the Pixel Watch, and they go on absolutely the same way. You just take your bands, you kind of line up. You'll see these little dashes in there, those there. You line up those dashes with these dashes, and then it just kind of rotates. Click, bam, right into place. It's literally that easy. Now they do only go one way, so they kind of both, you both put them on this side, and that's, you know, they kind of go from this side to that side, if that makes sense. That is the band on a Pixel Watch, and I love it. I now have every color for multiple different outfits. That'll do it for this little demonstration of these Google Pixel Watch bands. These do work with all three series of the 41mm size. Pixel Watches 1, 2, and 3. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.